Period. I love me a 13 by 6. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zahria if you don't know me, and in today's video I'm coming back with another unit. Tell me this unit is not snatched, okay? But yeah, this unit is from MYSHINYWIGS, so shout out to them for sponsoring this video. This is their loose curly 13 by 6 unit. Look how deep the part is, y'all. This part go all the way back here, like, period. I love me a 13 by 6, okay? But yeah, y'all, so I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I install this unit from start to finish. Yeah, that's basically it. That's like the whole, that was a real short and sweet intro. Like this video if you like this video, comment below. Of course, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if y'all wanna see me install this snatched little unit, then keep watching. Okay, so switching over to the voiceover real quick. So this is how the wig was sent. It's just a little bag, it unzips. And then just to show you guys what came in the bag, there was a little pouch. So I'm gonna show y'all what's inside. So it came with a baby hair brush, a makeup brush, some tweezers, a rat tooth comb, 2 wig caps in 2 different colors, and then of course the hair. So this is what it looks like fresh out the bag. And then just to show you guys what the wig looks like on the inside, you can see 3 combs right here, but there's actually 4. And then there's also an elastic band for just extra support. And then just so you guys know, it is a 13 by 6 wig, but it's only 13 by 6 in the middle. As you can see, the sides, that's only about 1 inch right there. So it's not 13 by 6 all the way around. So if you mostly wear middle parts, then you'll be fine. But if you're a side part kind of girl, it might be wide enough to do a side part, but just so you know what you're working with. All right, y'all, so it's finally time to install the wig. So I don't know why do I sound excited? I'm in a good mood today, okay? But anyway, it's time to install the wig. This is her. She looking nice and thick. So just so y'all know, I did bleach and pluck this unit, but I know you guys have seen me do that on my channel a million times. So if you want me to link another video where I did that above, I'll link a video above for you. But yes, this unit has been bleached, it has been plucked, and I also sprayed some even tinted lace spray onto the lace. You have to make sure you bleach it and pluck it and do all that extra stuff, because it got off on my wig cap because it's not all the way dry. But it doesn't matter because I'm gonna spray my wig cap with the same lace tint anyway. But before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Got2b, this one's empty. I'm gonna use my Got2b spray and spray down my cap just so I can do the ball cap method. And then I'm gonna take my blow dryer and just blow dry it. And by the way, y'all, I blow dry it on cool. Sometimes I get that question on like what setting I blow dry it on. I'm definitely not blow drying it on hot because that would literally burn you. So I'm doing it on cool for anybody who is wondering. All right, so I got it blow dried down. Y'all, that part be taking so long. Like, that's the only part that you just really have, well, okay, it's not the only part, but it's one of the parts where you just really have to be patient because it has to be dry in order for you to work with it. Like, you don't want to rush it and then it's not dry and then now it's lifting up. Like, you don't want that. So also do your makeup after you do your wig. I just do it before I do my wig for the sake of I'm gonna be in y'all face on YouTube. So I don't want to look a mess, but but you see how it messes up your makeup? I'm gonna fix it later, but that's so annoying. So if you're just doing this at home and you ain't seeing nobody, just, you know, do your wig first, then your makeup. I usually don't style my wig until after I do my makeup, but the installing part, definitely before I do my makeup. For me, at least. All right, now I'm gonna just cut by my ears. This part is kind of like the hardest part to do for me because I'm feeling like I'm gonna cut myself. Okay, so sometimes it gets like annoying and it comes up because of like me pulling it back too far, but it's okay because we finna glue it down. It'll be fine. One thing about this is like if you mess up, most of the time you can fix it. So now I'm gonna take my even tinted lace spray in medium brown and I'm gonna spray that, even though I already kind of got some on it when I tried my wig, I'm spraying onto my wig cap so that it could be the ball cap. So it could be like the right color ball cap, you know what I'm saying? So all right, so now for the glue. This is the first glue that I use. So for those of y'all who watch my videos, you know that I just recently started using this glue, and when I tell you my installs have been like A1, I'm telling you I don't have to keep fixing it every other day or every day. Like my wigs be laid. Like I don't have to keep retouching it up as much as normal. So this glue, yeah. I think I'm gonna do 2 layers of this glue. I kind of just, sometimes I just do it until I feel like it's enough. Y'all like my lash extensions? I got lash extensions. I haven't done this in forever, but I feel like they look so good, like especially when my makeup is done. And it was so much faster for me to do my makeup. Like I love it. Definitely love it here. Okay, so boom, so that layer is done. Now I'm gonna use Bold Hold. I only use the one with the pink label, and I'm gonna do a couple layers of the Bold Hold. I'm gonna do like 4 to 5 layers of this. Y'all, I love these eyelash extensions. Like I keep looking at my little monitor and I'm just like amazed because I feel like they look so much better than the strip lashes that I was wearing before. It's crazy though, because when I first got these eyelash extensions, I didn't know if I liked them. But I'm in love right now. Like they look so good. They look so good to me. I think it's because my makeup is done. Like when I don't have my makeup done, I feel like they be looking a little like a lot. But now that my makeup is done. Okay, so I got 1 layer of the Bold Hold laid onto my head. So I'm gonna do like 3 more layers. And then I'm gonna do 1 last layer of this glue. So just to be clear, the way it's about to go is I did 1 layer of this. I'm gonna do about 4 layers of the Bold Hold and then 1 more layer of this. That's how it's gonna go. Just because I felt like I needed to be clear on that because I feel like I'm all over the place. I keep saying I'm doing different amounts of layers because I don't know what I'm doing. So now you guys know, now y'all know since I've been so all over the place what I'm doing. Let it sit. I'm gonna let this sit for a couple minutes before I take it off. And also I don't like how this lace is in my face right now, so I'm gonna just roll it back. But yeah, I'm gonna let this sit for like a little bit and then take it off. All right, y'all, so it's been a couple minutes. So now I'm taking, see, I hate when this happens. Ugh. That's the thing about this other glue that I'm using. When you do it with just the bold hold, it doesn't, the elastic does not stick at all. But the other glue, sometimes the elastic sticks. It's okay because it dries back clear again. Where my scissors go that fast? Oh, here they go. Not me going off on my scissors. So I'm gonna cut this lace into like 4 little sections, just so that when I cut them individually, I have a little bit more control. And then I'm gonna cut them individually. So I think I told y'all this before. I used to do this with the razor, but I don't know. I don't feel that, I don't know. I don't feel like I have enough control with the razor, and I don't feel like it makes that big of a difference if I cut it with the razor versus if I cut it with scissors. So I just be cutting it with scissors now because I don't got time to sit here and mess it up. So I'm about to pin this hair real quick because, girl, I'm not trying to cut it. And when I cut it, I don't just like do one line. Like I kind of just like snip at it until the lace is off, if that makes any sense. All right, cool. So now I'm gonna do, I guess I'm gonna do a part now. They just gave me a rat tooth comb and I already lost it. Did I lose it? Hold on. Okay, here we go. So I'm gonna go ahead and part my hair. Don't make fun of me because y'all know I suck at parting my hair. Takes a little minute, but it's okay. Okay, so now I'm just hot combing the part just so that it could be like flat. I'm gonna hot comb it again later, but just for now so that it could just stay in place. Ooh, not me about to drop my hot comb. Okay, so yeah, so cool. Now I got the part, and I'm also gonna take out some baby hairs. Usually I take out more than I'm even about to use, but just so, you know, just to be safe, I guess, I take out. Just taking out some of them. Yeah, like I know I'm probably not about to use all these, but I'll be taking them out though. Oh my gosh. Do y'all ever, I don't know how many of y'all wear contacts, but for those of y'all who wear contacts, do your contacts ever just randomly get blurry? Like, that is so annoying. Because everything was clear 2 seconds ago and now all of a sudden you want to play games. Okay, so now that oh wait, hold on. That don't need to be up here. Okay, so now that I have all my baby hairs kind of like pulled to the front, I'm gonna take my elastic band and I'm gonna tie my hair down once again. The way my hair is in my lip gloss right now is just not okay. Like, now I'm gonna let this sit for a little minute. I do want to wet the hair as soon as I find my spray bottle. Okay, I found it. So I'm gonna wet it and just brush through it just so that, because I'm just gonna wear it in its natural state. I'm not gonna like really do anything to like style it too much because this hair is pretty in its natural state. So okay, so I'm gonna take this off. Our lace is definitely laid, but now I have to do my baby hairs. So it's crazy because they keep sending me, hair companies keep sending me baby hair brushes with my hair, and I just keep using this same dirty old baby hair brush. Like, I don't know what is going on with my loyalty to this brush, but I think it's because this one is like, it's like harder than the ones that they send me. But I don't even know, I didn't even really look at the one that they sent me with this hair, so I don't know. But anyway, so I'm gonna start cutting this hair. I don't know how long I need it yet, so I'm not cutting it super short, but I'm just cutting it so it can get out my face. Because I know it's not gonna be that long. Okay, cool. So now I'm gonna take my Eco Styler gel and I'm gonna start to do my baby hairs. I don't know how I wanna do them. I feel like, I think I want them to be dramatic. All right, y'all, so I just finished my baby hairs. So I'm gonna take these clips out. I'm about to lay it back down. Y'all know I lay my hair down like 20 times when I do it. But before I do that, I'm gonna take my wax stick It's by She's Bomb, and I got it off Amazon. And I'm just putting it on my part so that my hair could be flat and just really lay down. And then I'm gonna also put it kind of like on my edges a little bit. I did my little dramatic baby hairs. Y'all know I like the dramatic baby hairs. Whenever I have some type of wave to my hair, I don't know how to act, so. So I'm just taking my hot comb and basically just combing down where I put the wax. This part is like what really make your hair like flat, okay? All right, and then I'm just gonna tie this down one last time. And I'm gonna let this sit for like another like 5 minutes and then we're gonna be done. All right, y'all, so I finished, well, I didn't really do anything after my last clip. I just kind of let the baby hair sit for a couple minutes and I took it off, and this is the finished look. I like it. This hair is real cute. It's definitely giving summer, definitely giving vacation and all of the above. I really like it. I've never tried this hair before, so I am very impressed. The lace definitely laid real nice. I like it. And then just so y'all can see the length, it's 24 inches. So I definitely like it in its natural state, gorgeous. It's real cute, like it's definitely giving. Oh, and let me show you the part. So this is a 13x6 wig, y'all. I love 13x6 wigs because look how far back the part goes. Like 13x4 will probably stop like right here, maybe, but it goes all the way back here. And I feel like it just makes it look way more natural when your part goes this far back. The only thing that I'm not a big fan of is it only goes this far back in the middle, but it doesn't go this far back on the sides. It's not a 13x6. If you want to do a side part, you gotta do a middle part. So if you're a side part kind of girl, this wig may not be the one for you because like I showed you guys in the beginning, the 6 inches is only for the middle. So yeah, but if you're a middle part girl like me, I like to switch it up, but I would say majority of the time I'm in a middle part. So if you're like me, this unit would be fine for you. But I love it. The texture, the natural texture of it is just nice. I really ain't have to even do anything to it. I like it. Shout out to MYSHINYWIGS for sending me this unit. This is their 13x6 loose curly wig. It's giving. Anywho, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something. I hope you guys are getting better at your installs. I've had like some of y'all message me and show me like your installs and stuff. Definitely feel free to do that, y'all. My Instagram is Zahria Shantí, same as my YouTube. So if you watch my videos or if you're like learning from my videos, I love to like see y'all comment or just like show me that the videos that I'm making are actually helping y'all. So definitely feel free to do that. Like this video if you like this video, comment below, and then of course subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And yeah, thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one.